So I'm Holly Odell. I work at Safe Corporation, and right now I'm one of the managing attorneys managing the appellate team. So the program is part of the executive education department, as I understand it, of the Willamette Business School. And so the program is geared towards attorneys who have law degrees and are practicing in-house, but who want additional business and academic application to what we're doing in our practice. So the program had an emphasis on leadership, on change management, on the financial aspects of business, and on how to add value to your in-house client as legal counsel. So it's been 4 months since I finished, and it's gone fast, but I did think about how I've applied what I've learned. You want to do that to make sure that the program is useful and that you've taken something back. So I definitely have. From the first day where we talked about leadership and change management, I've reviewed those materials and I've gotten most of the recommended books and gone through those. And if we've done projects, one project we're working on right now is paperless. So I've looked at the theory of change management kind of from an academic business school perspective and looked at that as to how that's affecting our phases of our project, our team forming, ensuring that we have the proper goals and objectives articulated before we complete projects. I've also used the financial piece, and what I specifically asked for is information regarding red flags. You know, if you take a financial statement for a business and you're looking through it from a business perspective and legal, you know, what are you looking for without a lot of financial background that you could know enough to ask more questions or to dig deeper or to know that that might be something that needs further inquiry. Also, I think the biggest takeaway was that there's other people doing this work who had good ideas about how to be an in-house legal resource. So there's value in providing legal advice, but also there's a balance with the business concerns. And sometimes when you're analyzing risk, the business is going to need something different than the legal piece. And so acknowledging that business perspective and framing my legal advice in terms of what the business needs has definitely been a takeaway. I attended the program in May, I believe it was, and had a great experience. It's what I liked about the format is the intense nature of it, but it's limited to the 4 days, and so that gave me time to set aside, dedicate to the program, consciously review the materials. It was just long enough to put work aside at least till the evenings and attend and engage with the other attorneys. What I liked about the format is the specificity of the material and the participants to what I do every day. So I don't get to talk to people who do outside counsel work, in-house counsel very rarely, and there's not a lot of people who kind of do what I do, and so it was fun to meet those people, hear about their experiences, and get material that's really specifically tailored to us.